Hello again, this is Mr. White. We're going to do the part 2 of this assignment, which is to find the regression equation for our proportion within the face. And remember, this is my project is to find the ratio or the proportion from the eye length, eye to eye, to the mouth width, and to see if there's a relationship there. So as it looks like in my data, it looks like as the eye to eye length gets bigger, we see the mouth width get bigger as well. So we're going to try and pick 2 points that describe this trend, and it's important which 2 points you pick. Like if I pick this point and this point, my line will be going this way, and that doesn't seem to make sense. We definitely see that this proportion or this ratio is going up. So I could pick this one and this one. That would be okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pick this one and let's say this point. And you can see if I highlight it like this, it actually tells me which point that is. So there's a couple steps here. First of all, let's actually pick these points. So we have this point, 2.251. I'm going to go over to my notebook. Oops. Okay, so the point is 2.251, comma 1.698, and we can go back here, and we wanted this one, which is this point right here, 1.646 and 1.319. So we have 1.646, comma 1.319. And basically all we're doing is we have 2 points and we want to find the line between those 2 points. And again, it was just the 2 points that I felt best fit that trend or that relationship. And I wouldn't pick these. I wouldn't pick these 2 points because that would be going down, and I can definitely see this is going up. So let's go back. We want to find the slope first. So first we need 2 things to find the equation of a line: slope, and then we pick a point. So the slope is 1.698 minus 1.319 divided by 2.25 minus 1.646. So I took the y's and subtracted them, took the x's and subtracted them, and I should find my slope. So this equals 0.379 over 0.604, and if I just put that into one big decimal, I get 0.627. So there's my slope for the line. Now I need to pick a point that's on the actual line, and well, these 2 points are guaranteed to be on the line, so I'll just pick one of these. It doesn't matter which one it is. I think I'll pick this point. You can pick either one though. So to do this, y equals mx plus b, and we have our slope and we have our point. So we have 1.319 equals 0.627 times 1.646 plus b, and then 0.287 equals b, if you do that math. And so the equation of our line is y equals 0.627 x plus 0.287, and that's our line. So if I go back to LoggerPro, in order to put any equation in the line, the first thing you have to do is sort this data. So what you do is you go highlight all of them, just click on it and highlight, and you go to Data, Sort Data, and you have 2 options: ascending or descending, and then which one do you want. Always sort by the always sort by the x. And then ascending or descending doesn't matter. I always go ascending though. So then it didn't change the graph or the scatter plot at all, but it changed all the x values to be in order. So you see 1.6 is the smallest and 2.3 to be the biggest. Okay, so then what you do is you push this little f of x button, the last one, and y equals mx plus b, and I get to literally just type in my slope here, 0.287 and 0.2. Sorry, did it backwards. 0.627 and 0.287. And you see, it kind of gives you a little preview here. When you just push OK, it looks pretty good. And you can see it goes straight through those 2 points I picked, and it looks like it describes that trend pretty well. So go ahead and give that a try with your data, and stay tuned for the next part 3.